Welcome student. From previous lecture we start a new lesson, that is the be a good listener. We come to this point, okay? So we come to an end of the last third question, that do you make any special efforts to understand a speaker, the speaker? Here are some of the things that will help you to understand the speaker better. So, here we have a tips to understand the speaker or to be a good listener. Okay, so let us start with the tips. That if first tip, if you hear some new or unfamiliar word, try to gauge their meaning from the context. Okay, so when you hear to uh, the speaker speak out some strange word or unfamiliar word which you not hear till that time, so it you can increase your vocabulary. Write down that strange word, get the meaning from any other sources, so the mm, balance of the vocabulary increases. It will help you to be a good speaker. Okay, second tip is you can try to guess what the speaker will say next. You if you try to if you ha- make a concentrate if you concentrate on the uh, speaker, you can guess what the speaker wanted to say. You can guess that after the points that speaker will speak out in the lecture, so you can uh, upgrade your knowledge, upgrade your capability uh, when you having a good attention towards the speaker. uh, Next tip is try to keep listening even when you feel that you do not understand the speaker, or even when you disagree with the speaker. Wait the wait for the speaker to finish what he is saying, then you can get your doubt clarified by asking polite question. Polite with the honestly, or with the respectful. Polite means, okay. uh, Sometimes we have uh, we experience that the speaker saying the which we can't understand, because the level of speaker and the level of uh, uh, us as a listener has may be different, so we can't understand what he wanted to say. After that also, uh, we must listen to the speaker, because the material he speak out the may be useful to us. Sometimes we disagree with the speech of speaker. After that also we have to listen the total lecture of the speaker, because sometimes we can get a useful uh, things which we can use in the future. After the disagree also, that speaker gives us a knowledge. So if we get that knowledge from that speaker, that will be useful to us. It increase our balance of knowledge. So increasing knowledge, upgrading knowledge, upgrade our character also. So we can use that knowledge at anywhere in our life. That after disagreement with that subject, we can use that material as a knowledge, anywhere, to prove our to prove our attitude, or we can say, we can use that knowledge as a proof. Okay. After if the speaker speaking something uh, which we get difficult to understand, or the speech is very much doubtful to us, so we have to be a patient. We must keep a patience. So after uh, completing the lecture, we can clarify our doubt from that speaker with respectful question. So gives us it creates our uh, character. Okay. Do not feel Next point, do not feel shy or afraid to ask questions. If you do not understand what is being said, put your questions to the speaker politely, respectfully. Okay, with the respect. So here this point uh, is, if you feel shy or afraid to ask questions, if we become shy and afraid to ask questions to the speaker, we could not understand what he wanted to say, or the subject he giving a speech, we could not never understand that subject. Okay, if we do not ask our doubts, but we ask that doubts with very much respectfully, so that speaker become happy that he is getting respect from the listener, and he clarify his subject with thoroughly. So we get the knowledge from that speaker, uh, and it increases our knowledge. The next point is, sometimes it helps to note down important words or points even as you listen. This is a scientific way of listening. If you note down, if we note down the important word and points, so we can use that word and points in future. So it gives us or it's create the respect uh, in the other people's mind that we have so much knowledge or so much uh, bank or worth of knowledge of the language, the words. Okay. Lastly, it also helps to keep a thinking about what you heard. You may grasp the meaning of a difficult word or a phrase later on. So here, the when you heard a lecture, we must memorize it or always keep reading of the records which we listen previously. So we can use that knowledge anywhere in our life. The word which the speaker speak out, we if we write down that word, so we increases our word bank. It helps us to be a good speaker with these qualities or with this way. Okay. So in this lesson, uh, be a good listener. The theme is that the main theme of this lesson is that if anyone who listen carefully, scientifically, taking a proof, he if he develop a habit of good listening, that listener can become a good speaker in life. Okay. So here is the picture. Okay. Here is the picture that a person, boys said to girls that please bring me a vase that has a pink roses. It's on the dining table. Okay. Here that girl listen to this boy, that what boy wanted to say. Here are the three words which has important in the speech. That again I read that sentence. Please bring me the vase. Vase means vessels. Okay. Please bring me the vase that has a pink roses. Pink roses also has an importance in this subject. It's on the dining table. So the dining table also has a importance in these sentences. So the vase, pink roses, and dining table. If this girl listen that speech carefully, then here are the pictures shown. A vase means, the meaning of vase is a bed of roses, a kind of pot, and a frock. So the pink roses are on the bed, that rose bed or a flower bed. There are pink roses. Okay. This flower bed also known as a vase. This is the vessel. Okay. And the roses are kept in that vessels. Okay. This is a pot. Okay. And next is a frock. The pink roses are colored on this frock. So which roses, which roses uh, that girl choose. So here the bed of roses uh, he can't carried out. Okay. And the picture of the roses he can't carry it out because it is on a frock. So he did not he that boy says that on the dining table the first bed of the roses could not put on the dining table, the frock also could not place on the dining table, but that pot may be placed on the dining table. So the roses in the pot is the correct answer. Okay, if that girl is a good listener, then she can choose a roses into the pot. Okay, so we will stop here because we completed this lesson, that is be a good listener. If we there is if we becomes a good listener, we can get lots of knowledge from the word. So there is a need to be a good listener. Okay.